The Doctor Portal, ClearCorrect's case management tool. Registration and access. To access the Doctor Portal, you'll need to register as a provider with any internet browser on your computer. You can register on Straumann's eShop or in regions where eShop is not available from dr.clearcorrect.com directly. Once you have registered as a ClearCorrect provider, you have access to the Doctor Portal. The home screen Manage Orders page. When you first sign in, you'll arrive on the Manage Orders page, where all your cases will be listed. The page displays information such as the order number, the name, most recent activity, the status, and more. You can sort your cases by clicking on the criteria header, and your orders will redisplay according to your selection. You can refine the orders you want to view by clicking on the status drop-down, or further refine by selecting the category drop-down. You can also search for a specific order by typing identifying information into the search bar. The notification bell icon, when clicked, will take you to the Action Needed status. Action Needed is an indication that the case is awaiting records, the submission is incomplete, or the setup is awaiting approval. These cases all need further action prior to submission. From the Manage Orders page, you can add a new order by clicking on the Add Order link in the header, or click on the Add Order button located at the top right of the Manage Orders page. To learn more about ordering aligners or retainers, make sure to visit our Help Center or see the tutorial video How to Create an Order. If you wish to collaborate with colleagues or external services, such as TPO, you can enable the Collaborator Suite on the My Account page under Collaborators. Once you have enabled the Collaborator Suite, you can manage your collaboration from the Manage Orders page. To get more details on Collaborator Suite and TPO services, please visit our Help Center. Footer features. In the footer, on every page of the portal, there are links to ClearCorrect's Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram pages, ClearCorrect's Terms and Conditions, Privacy Notice, Consent Form, and Terms of Use documents, links to ClearCorrect's education site, Straumann Imprint, ClearCorrect's Help Center, Document Library, and the store. You can find our contact information as well as a help button on the right-hand side of the page. To learn more, please make sure to watch our additional tutorial videos.